Unlock the secrets of wealth with Bezos, a journey from humble beginnings to becoming a billionaire. Learn the strategies now. Hello, everyone. Today we're diving deep into the remarkable journey of one of the world's wealthiest individuals, Jeff Bezos. We'll unravel the secrets behind his success, exploring the mindset, strategies, and key decisions that transformed a small online bookstore into the e-commerce giant we know today as Amazon. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's learn how to get rich with Jeff Bezos. Humble beginnings. Every great success story often has its roots in humble beginnings, and Jeff Bezos' journey is no exception. Born in Albuquerque, New Mexico, to a 17-year-old mother and a father running a bike shop, young Bezos experienced a far cry from the lavish start many would associate with future billionaires. His parents' divorce and his mother's subsequent marriage to Mike Bezos marked a crucial turning point. Despite his grandfather owning a ranch in Texas, there was no hint that Jeff would inherit vast wealth. During summers, Bezos worked on his grandparents' farm, displaying an early work ethic. However, his aspirations went beyond the routine. The dream seemed dauntingly massive, considering his background. Even David Meltzer, reflecting on a hypothetical investment in Amazon 25 years ago, highlighted the seemingly implausible notion of a garage-based internet bookstore turning into a billion-dollar venture. Bezos' journey didn't start with privilege, but with a vision that surpassed societal expectations. The billion-dollar dream. Fast forward to the moment, Bezos proposed the concept of an online bookstore. It wasn't met with immediate enthusiasm. His brilliant and admired boss advised against it. Even the renowned entrepreneur David Meltzer expressed skepticism. The idea of creating a bookstore on the internet, selling books from his garage, seemed far-fetched. At 26, Bezos proclaimed he would be the richest man globally, but the world, statistically, had never seen such wealth. The odds were against him, but this didn't deter his belief in the transformative power of his vision. Meltzer recalls Bezos' commitment, explaining how he continually reinvested in himself and his business, taking on more debt despite achieving success. This persistence demonstrated Bezos' unwavering faith in his dream, a dream that defied conventional wisdom and dared to reshape the landscape of commerce. Bezos' billion-dollar dream wasn't just a dream, it was a meticulously crafted vision that would challenge norms and revolutionize the way the world shops. Regret minimization framework. Why did Bezos persist in the face of skepticism? The answer lies in a mental model known as the regret minimization framework. In contemplating his decision to leave his well-paying job and embark on the risky venture of starting an online bookstore, Bezos projected himself forward to age 80. In X number of years, will I regret not doing this? This introspective approach simplified a complex decision, making it more manageable. The regret minimization framework forced Bezos to evaluate his potential regrets at the age of 80. He knew that he wouldn't regret trying, even if he failed. The only regret he foresaw was not attempting the venture at all. This mental model became the compass guiding Bezos through the uncertain waters of entrepreneurship. It's a lesson in decision-making that extends beyond business, urging individuals to consider the long-term consequences of their choices. Passion and calling. Beyond the financial calculations and risk assessments, Jeff Bezos often stresses the importance of passion in one's career. According to him, a young person should find something they're passionate about, a clear but often overlooked piece of advice. It's not merely about having a job or building a career, it's about finding a calling, something that aligns with one's deepest values and sense of purpose. In Bezos' view, choosing a life of ease or a life of service and adventure is a pivotal decision. It's about transcending the mundane and seeking fulfillment on a profound level. Your work becomes more than a means of earning a living. It transforms into a meaningful contribution to something larger than yourself. Bezos' decision to follow his calling, even at the expense of a well-paying job, reflects his commitment to a life driven by passion and purpose. The Amazon story. Now, let's delve into the early chapters of the Amazon story. Bezos and his then-wife Mackenzie Scott embarked on a journey to turn their vision into reality. They left stable jobs to create an online bookstore, originally named Cadabra. However, Bezos' strategic mind intervened, leading to the adoption of the name Amazon. Inspired by the alphabet's strategic advantage, This decision foreshadowed Bezos' relentless pursuit of a competitive edge. Despite skepticism from competitors and critics, Bezos maintained a steadfast belief in the potential of the internet, predicting its growth would surpass traditional book retailers. His focus and commitment earned him a reputation for driving Amazon forward relentlessly, even at the cost of public image and social welfare. Bezos' early years at Amazon marked the beginning of a transformation that would mirror the evolution of the company itself. Transformation and relentlessness. In the 2000s and 2010s, Jeff Bezos underwent a significant transformation, mirroring the evolution of Amazon itself. Once perceived as nerdy and geeky, Bezos embraced a physical and professional metamorphosis. Adopting tailored clothing, engaging in weight training, and adhering to a disciplined lifestyle, he reshaped his public image. This transformation, often referred to as the mechanism of the company, paralleled Amazon's expansion into diverse industries, from e-commerce to cloud computing. While critics labeled Bezos a cold-blooded corporate titan, his commitment to relentless progress remained unwavering. Amazon's mechanism became synonymous with constant innovation and adaptation. Bezos solidified his reputation for aggressive business practices, emphasizing that in the fast-paced world of technology, standing still is equivalent to falling behind. Bezos' personal transformation served as a metaphor for Amazon's own relentless pursuit of growth and innovation. His shift from a perceived nerdy image to a symbol of adaptability and determination mirrored the company's expansion into a global powerhouse. The lesson here is clear. Transformation, both personal and professional, is not a one-time event, but a continuous process. It's about embracing change, staying ahead of the curve, and most importantly, being relentless in the pursuit of excellence. Lesson from Bezos' life. As we wrap up this deep dive into the extraordinary life of Jeff Bezos, let's reflect on the profound questions he posed to the 2010 Princeton University graduating class. Bezos challenged these graduates to consider how they would use their gifts, make choices, and whether they would follow their passions or succumb to inertia. Tomorrow, in a very real sense, each of us authors our life anew every day. Bezos' questions are a timeless call to action, urging us to be original, embrace a life of service and adventure over ease, follow our convictions in the face of criticism, and be relentless in the pursuit of our dreams. Whether in business or life, Bezos' story serves as a reminder that success is the result of intentional choices, passion-driven decisions, and an unwavering commitment to personal and professional growth. And there you have it, the blueprint to billions inspired by Jeff Bezos' extraordinary journey. From humble beginnings to building an empire, his story is a testament to the power of belief, passion, and relentless determination. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to No Money, and share it with fellow dreamers and doers. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep dreaming big and working hard.